How to sign up for Taobao in full guide. So just go ahead and open your preferred browser and search for Taobao. And the first link should be their official website. So once you press on that, you should be led here so you can go ahead and directly log in from here. But if you're having trouble with the language, just go ahead and press the show. Translate options in the search bar and translate into English, to make your life easier. So over here in the top, you'll be able to see this. So dear, please log in, or you can sign up for free. So if you haven't, made an account, of course, you have to press the sign up option. So first you're going to put in your number and then the verification code. So once you press on get a verification code, so just go ahead and click on the images that they request over here. It says cell phone. So press on those. And once that's done, just go ahead and press on confirm. Depending on what number you put in, they should be able to send you a code from that number. So it sent me a number, a verification code of 727. And just go ahead and press on this and go ahead and continue. So that's pretty much how you register for an account. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.